Philippines and the world. Today is a sacred prophetic day, April 18, 2026. And today, the heavens, we all rejoice because our beloved brother of Mother Kids, Rafael B. Asuncion, has gone to heaven and is sharing the joy, the bliss of heaven with us. So now, my dear compadres, specifically the Brotherhood of Mother Kids in the Philippines and the world. Today, as one family, the Blessed Mother wants me to title this YouTube video, The Blessed Mother Gratitude to Rafael B. Asuncion. Because without Rafael, my book, Pamataraan ng Pagbubukas ng Tipan ng Mahal na Ina, my PhD dissertation, and I translated it all over the world in my presentations as Sacred Prophetic Politics, the unfolding of the covenant with the Great Mother. And so now, our dear brother, Rabisi, ever, I have not seen him with a dark face, but always smiling. He was the one who did the manual of my manuscript for publication in Germany. Without his effort, there is no covenant with the Great Mother. And so the Blessed Mother said, if you make your YouTube video entitled Blessed Mother Gratitude to Rafael B. Asuncion, then every text of your publication, and especially as you presented it in national and global presentation, national global gatherings, then every letter will be realized and will finally be fulfilled this 2026. Amen. Now, ayaw mo ba yan? Nagpapadagin ito mga ito. Hindi mo na mababa ang mukha nito. Hindi ko na pwede mapagpakitan. Eh, nagpapadagin. Tingnan mo na, save ba? Baka ba hindi na save?